Sanibona, sanibona, sanibingelela, sanibona, nonke kulo muzi sihale, imishashela. Sanibona, nonke kulo muzi, sanibona, sanibingelela, sanibona. Nonke kulo muzi sihale, Uchawulanu yeza, uchawulanu yeza, wawekaya. Uchawulanu yeza.
We're on a boat, right? It's open, it's breezy, it's beautiful, it's picturesque, it's peaceful. Kuligan is broadcasting live to the studio. We're doing a crossing actually. It's so amazing. Like KZN, every single time I go somewhere with KZN, I'm just like, yeah, no, it has it all.
No, I'm not the skipper. Probably if you trust me to be the skipper, I'll end up being the sinker. So it won't work. So yeah, man, the skipper's right there at the back. We're going to be taking off in a few. We're out here at Ismangaliso Wetland Park. It's going to be absolutely awesome. And you know, man, Gaga CFM, always on point.
It's like 6 a.m. and we're hiking. How beautiful is this estuary behind us? You know, we're going to be hiking on one of the trails that are going to be guided. You know, get your morning started right, and then after this we're going to go do a broadcast, and then we're going horseback riding. So stay tuned.
Someone said there's crocodiles, so I'm expecting to run.
Well, 4 of the big 5.
So yeah,
4 of the 5.
we're out here at the False Bay. I hope I don't get to run. Can't run. But come through and enjoy this. We're hiking. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's gonna be awesome.
Thank you so much for having me. I mean, we landed yesterday and it's just been an absolutely incredible ride all the way through. I cannot wait to see what you guys have in store for us today, because yesterday we got here and the first thing we did was that boat cruise. I wish I had packed my entire family into my handbag so they could see what I saw. Because my goodness, if experiences could be bottled, I'd definitely be bottling up some KZN experiences. It's right up there with the best of the best. KZN has the best people, the best food, the weather. And here's the thing, the weather's good all year round, so you have no excuse but to come and visit KZN. Thank you so much, Tourism KZN, for hosting me this weekend. It's been absolutely magical. Guys, girls, mothers, daughters, grab your grandmother, grab your grandfather, come to KZN. It has everything you need and want.